I had to get them, RC drivers. I had to show them here on the channel. The HPI Nano series is absolutely awesome. They have a ton of these planned for release. I saw them at the Nurses show a little while back, and when I had the opportunity to get these BMWs, of course I pulled the trigger on it. They're just so cool looking. Number one, they basically look like a Matchbox car. They're 1/64 scale in size. But the key here is they have proportional throttle and proportional steering. And the big boxes right here, these are basically ready to run. You're gonna need some AA batteries, but I haven't shown you one of these before. Yeah, no radio in this one. You can buy just the car by itself and bind an HPI radio to it. So if you have all the other stuff, this might be a route to take. Let's get these out of the box so I can show you up close. We'll start with this one here, the BMW 2002 Turbo in silver. Comes nicely packaged, and I actually think there's some instructions in here too. It just goes through the basics, but here is this car, guys. Check this thing out. Number one, it just looks like a model. If you're into collecting die-cast or even Hot Wheel, I mean, look at that thing. Look at all the detail on that. Killer looking wheels, detail in the front grille, and these have LED lights in them. Yeah, the windows are tinted out, but you know, you don't want to look at the electronics on the inside. Flip it over, there's your on-off switch. There's your USB-C input there, and I think you could get a different charger for it looking at those silver dots on the bottom. I'm guessing those are contacts. Very cool looking car. Next, we'll check out the BMW 1989 M3. This thing looks killer in red. I mean, who doesn't want one of these in real life? So here's the car. Killer detail on this. Look at that. Awesome. Love the front grille. Got that specific BMW grille. Awesome looking wheels. And again, these are fully proportional. Proportional steering, proportional throttle, LED lights. And there's the silver Ravaglia. Hopefully I didn't butcher that name. All you BMW guys will definitely let me know, but this looks pretty sick too. So this is what else comes in the ready to run. You get the MTX 400 radio system, 2.4 gig. Got some digital trims on there and some trim dials, but you know, for a small radio system, pretty comfortable. You need AA batteries for that. There is your USB-C cable. I mean, you probably got a million of these at your house, but yeah, that plugs right in. And you get an instruction sheet. All right, I'm gonna go wrangle up the guys that run the hobby shop here, and we're gonna run it on the Mini Z track. All right, so I got Tyler and Jason running the cars. You know, it's nice that they came and opened the shop early for me, but yeah, they're also running it. How did you flip a car over already, dude? It's like a tiny 1/64 scale car, but look at this thing. He's just ripping around the track with this. These guys have been RC enthusiasts for a long time and racers. They're already tweaking the radio systems, dialing back on the dual rate because there's so much steering in these things. Look at it. These guys have never driven these before. They're going around the track awesome, like super dialed. I don't know if you can see it, but even the turn signals come on in the corners. I mean, I don't know any racetrack where you need turn signals, but cool nonetheless. Absolutely awesome. I'm a little jealous. I forgot to bring a radio for the turbo, but remember, you could go and bind this to an existing radio, and I think we're gonna swap it out right now just so you can see this car run. All right, so we figured out you actually have to go put the car into bind first. You push on the button inside there with a piece of wire, turn the car on, and then while the radio's on, just hit the bind button and it'll link right up. Check it out, we got steering. In the back racing again, Jason did a little bit of work on the brake. He actually found some hair inside one of the front wheels, which was slowing him down on the straight, but Tyler's got a fresh pack in it. He seems to be pulling just a little bit. For now. Just got to wear that peak off. But look how well these cars drive, guys. 1/64 scale, ripping around, no problem. Actually have a little bit too much traction in the front. Maybe add a little bit of glue to the outer front tire just for a little slip in the corner, but these things are fast and controllable. HPI is really onto something with these. Absolutely awesome to watch. So yeah, definitely check out your local hobby shop. Grab one of these things if you're into it. That was an awesome barrel roll, dude. And if you need a link, I'll have them in the video description below.